Hi, here are some quick directions on how to apply to become a CDA candidate. So what you're going to do is look for the Council for Professional Recognition or the CDA Council. I just do a search for CDA Council for Professional Recognition and it will give me the link, and you can go to that link and it will take you to a page that looks like this. On that page, you're going to come up here to the right-hand corner and click on CDA Candidate. Because this is probably your first time to apply to be CDA candidate, you're going to look at your initial CDA candidate list or over here, and you're going to go to create an account. So that's what you're going to be doing as your first step, is you're going to create an account. So once you click on create an account, it will take you to this page. You're going to complete it and then submit it. Now, I've already done this, so I can't show you how that works, but once you put in all of this information and hit submit, then you're going to have an account which you'll be able to enter just like I'm going to enter right now. So you will have a login and you will have a password that you will set up, and then you will be able to log into your account and add whatever additional information you need. Once you log in, you're going to go up here to your profile, and on your profile you're going to have a customer ID, and that's going to be the number that I will need for you to send to me, this customer ID. So once you have that, I need to have that ID sent to me. Then the next thing I want to tell you is that all messages from the CDA Council, unless you're going through major steps, will be found here. So when I tell you to check your messages, you might want to check here to see if you have had messages. So your messages will be here. The CDA Council will say your candidate. They will tell you when you need to come back into the system to request a visit, and so those types of things you will get emails about through your personal email if that's what you put on the first form. Otherwise, messages from the CDA Council will be through the message board here. So that's all there is. You just need to click on that one link, fill out the form, submit it, and then send me your customer ID number. Thank you very much for all of your help. If you have questions, please do give me a call.